In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the muffler assembly on a Troy-Bilt backpack blower. The engine cover assembly is secured to the backpack blower with a series of screws, which I'll remove now. Now we have access to the muffler. The muffler is secured to the engine with a couple of screws. Now I'll reinstall the muffler. You'll want to inspect the muffler gasket. If there's any damage to the gasket, go ahead and replace it. Now I can reinstall the engine cover assembly. And now I'll resecure the engine cover assembly with the screws.